and welcome back to Sustainability Simply. In the last episode, we talked about what a carbon footprint measures. But once you know where the impact sits, the next question is how do we actually make better decisions? And that's where two tools come in: carbon accounting and life cycle assessment. So you measure your energy use, your purchased goods, your logistics, your supply chain, and your operations. The goal isn't precision at production level, it's visibility. Life cycle assessment, or LCA, works differently. Instead of looking across everything, it zooms in one specific product or service. It follows that product through every stage: raw materials, manufacturing, transport, use, and end of life. And it does not just measure carbon, it can evaluate water use, land use toxicity, resource depletion, and other environmental impacts. Carbon accounting comes first because before optimizing anything, you need to know where the biggest impacts are. For example, it might show that 70% of your footprint comes from purchased goods, not energy or transport. That insight tells you where to focus your effort, but it does not tell you what specific change is better. That's where LCA comes in. Let's say packaging shows up as a major hotspot in your carbon footprint. Now, you are making a design decision. Should we use recycled plastic, aluminium, paper, or reduced material altogether? Here's how this usually plays out in real companies. Step 1: they calculate their organizational footprint. They discover that packaging and ingredients dominate emissions. Step 2: they prioritize those areas. Step 3: they run LCAs on specific products or materials to guide redesign decisions. Often, this reveals surprises. Carbon accounting can't compare those options. LCA can. It helps you evaluate trade-offs properly, not just carbon, but water, land use, and other impacts too. So, carbon accounting identifies where to act, LCA helps you decide how to act. In the next episode, we'll dig into something that shows up in almost every carbon accounting exercise and causes more confusion than anything else: Scope 3 emissions. Why they are hard, why they matter, and why you can't ignore them even when the data isn't perfect.